What's up, gang? Back with another video. This is day 2 in installing my exhaust system. As you told, had the last video, if you go watch the previous video, you know what's going on. I ain't finna explain it again. But yeah, I'm out here doing my daily routine with Empress. And if y'all haven't subscribed to the page, man, Empress Reacts is what you go looking for. Yes. You know what I mean? Let's get to it. Like I said, man, you know, it's the best of both worlds. You know what I'm saying? She has the music, I have the cars. You combine them together, and guess what? You jamming in the car. You know what I mean? But nah, man, let us get this workout finished, and then I'm off to the shop. Holla. All right, y'all. We headed back to the shop. See what's going on with my exhaust system. Hopefully it's good news, but I will most definitely keep y'all updated. Of course, you know what I mean? And I need my baby back. Baby, come back. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get with y'all later, man. Hey man, what's up, man? I just heard back from my boy Chris. He's telling me that I should have went with Dining Exhaust, and this exhaust system is trash. He said it sounds like a little Honda. Yeah, he said it sounds like a Honda. He said it's trash, basically. So we headed to the shop right now. I got my brother in the car with me, and finna see what this thing talking about, man. Catch up with y'all later.
3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. What the heck is bothering me?
All right, we back at the shop, man. Back at the shop. We finna see what's going on. But before we do that, look, remember I was telling y'all the other day, man, about my guys up here at Royal Treatment, at the Royal Treatment, man. Bye.
What's going on? What's going on?
Check, man. Hey, shout out, man. Royal Treatment, man.
This is where you need some tint, man. We got all 3 different types. We got your high performance, your carbon, your ceramic, everything plotted cut, man. So it's A1 cuts, no knives on the car, no nothing, no scratches. Man, lifetime warranty, no bubbling, no peeling, no fading, whatever you need, man.
When I tell you, man, these guys do some quality work, man. I bring all my cars up here. Y'all seen how many cars I don't had come through at Royal Treatment, man. Down here at the Royal Treatment. Money getting me right.
Already.
It's real. They down here getting me right, man. You feel me? Every car I got quality work, man. I haven't had no bubbling, I ain't had no peeling, no nothing. Very quality work. But let's go check on my M6, man, and see what's going on, man.
Man, what's up? Man, I'm a little disappointed, man, but it's all right though.
Man, don't do that.
We get a little first video impression, see what you say.
Don't do that, man. Don't do that.
I ain't trying to bust no bubble, but that's hard work. It is what it is.
Ain't no is what it is, man.
I mean, you know, it's gonna sound like a Honda, man. Being beer can, that's what we call it. That's an old system. That's a big, heavy piece.
Big heavy piece.
Big heavy. That's big. Well,
yeah.
That's big, man.
Man, this is what came off my M6, y'all. What was the original setup?
That's the stock setup right there. So you still got a Cadillac.
So they didn't have the Cadillac converter. What was?
The Cadillac converter is still in the car.
It was a mid muffler delete.
Yeah.
It was a mid muffler delete. That was my original system, and it sounded great. Y'all seen how it sounded, but this is what I got now, Valtronic. But look at that carbon fiber, y'all. Even though this Chris say it don't sound right, man, but it look good.
It does look good.
It looks good, y'all. It looks good, man. Yeah.
All right, so pressure's here. Pick up the ride, initial startup, and like I said, it sounds like a Honda being a beer can, man. So it's gonna be an impression. Let's just see how it is. Gotta be.
Man, he gotta be messing with me, man. He got to be messing with me.
Take a look at it.
He got to be messing with me, man. He say it sound like a. What'd you say it sound like?
A bee in a beer can, man.
A bee in a beer can. He say it sound like a bee in a beer can, y'all.
You see the bottom? You wanna take a look at it, the valve on me? On the exhaust?
Y'all see that gold, man?
See it closed? Now it's open. Now it's closed.
Y'all see that?
Yeah.
That's fire. That's fire.
That's how it is.
That's fire. It looks good.
Give me a pressure in real quick.
It looks good, man. All right, man. Here's the startup, y'all. Here goes the startup.
Now I don't want to start. It's quiet. Sound like a Honda.
The valve's closed, y'all. The valves is closed.
Sound like a Honda, man. They give a little rev, just a little bit, man. It's quiet.
Man, open up them valves. Let me hear something. Let me hear something.
Got him! Got him!
Hey! Hey! This him, y'all. This him, y'all. This him, y'all. Hey! Hey! Listen. Thumbs up, y'all. Thumbs up. Quality work, man.
There you go.
Like I told y'all, quality work. Quality work, man. Quality work, man. Quality work, man. Quality work, man.
That sounds like a Honda.
Yeah. Yeah, quality work. I'm satisfied, man. Look. Okay. Oh, he didn't have it on sports mode. Sports mode. Yeah. Y'all see that gold, man? Y'all see that gold, man?
Where's your money? You know what the best part about this?
Yeah. It's closed. Hey, I can go silent mode, y'all. Silent mode. Hey, I'm missing one thing, man. It's gonna be my next mod. It's a surprise, y'all, but y'all gonna see it, man. I'm missing one thing. Dark mode, man. Hey, I love this right here, man. I love this right here, man. Hey, listen, man. They will fool me the whole way here, man, telling me that it sounds like trash. It sounds like a bee in a can. Listen, this thing here right. This thing here is right. If we get a look at this whole system, see the valves closed again, but that gold, I like how that gold hit, man. That gold nasty, bro. Hey. That gold nasty, bro.
The truck, put you in, I put it on the truck.
Alright. Y'all see this gold, man.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all see this gold.
Hey, that's it right now, bud. All in front to the back, no corner cut. So we had to modify the mid section right here. Do a lot of cutting and well to get it where it needed. Then after you gotta move forward, gotta shift everything around. So
yep.
Everything lined up. I mean, we work with a few millimeters of clearance everywhere.
This thing is nice, man. This thing is nice. This thing is nice.
See.
They got my thumbs up, man. Valtronic Designs, you got my thumbs up.
There you go.
Oh, y'all see this quality, man. Listen, can't express it enough. Quality work, man. If you trying to get anything done to your car, Anything done to your car, come to Car Care One. It's quality work, man. Car Care One, man. Come to Car Care One off of in Scottsdale, man. Just pull it up. Just look them up. Off East Punch, man. East Punch, man. Come to Car Care One, man. These folks do the quality work, man. And I'm very satisfied. I'm very satisfied. I bring my car, all my cars here every time anything needs done to it. I bring them here, man. It's 9.5 pounds lighter than the South scissor. That's the reason why I went with this scissor, because it's 9.5 pounds lighter than this scissor. So guess what? Lighter car, more performance.
Stock cat on the front, they get a custom tune, and then you can push them close to 7. Yeah, you don't like it? Yeah.
Yeah. Y'all heard that right? Y'all heard that right? Hellcat killer, y'all. Hellcat killer, man. But man, no, man. If y'all haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm out of here, man. I'm about to go ahead and take this thing home, man. Hit the highway and see what this thing do, man. I'm out of here.